Now to some other headlines that we are watching this morning. Chinese leaders will indeed proceed with an important policy meeting in Beijing that's set to begin on Thursday, according to Bloomberg. The news outlet had previously reported that officials were weighing whether to postpone the Central Economic Work Conference because of a surge in COVID cases. The annual conference sets out economic goals for the coming year, and that's a bigger challenge now, with economists estimating China's growth has slowed to about 3% this year, far below the official target of around 5.5%, and marking one of China's worst performances in nearly half a century. China's current reopening happening much more rapidly than outside analysts had predicted. The country has also stopped providing broad data on new COVID cases after stopping mandatory testing. Meanwhile, President Biden's chip war with China is heating up, with the U.S. Department of Commerce looking to put Chinese chip maker Yangtze Memory and more than 30 other companies on a trade blacklist. That would keep them from buying some American components. It's expected to happen as soon as this week. A spokesperson from China's foreign ministry said the U.S. has, quote, politicized and weaponized economic cooperation, noting the disruption to China's supply chains and that, quote, China would take steps to protect the rights of its companies. And Airbnb removed roughly 4,000 accounts from its app in 2022 for violating its non-discrimination policy, which it asks hosts to treat guests with respect without judgment or bias based on factors like race. These changes build on Airbnb's 2016 civil rights audit, where it looked into the racial profiling of guests after users circulated the hashtag Airbnb while black on Twitter to highlight what they perceived as racist experiences at Airbnb rentals. Brad?